Airshow 2015 has been 100 years in the making. It will be the first significant observance of the Gallipoli campaign in its centenary year, 2015. And this February we will be paying tribute to ANZAC and the heroes of military aviation.
Since 1914, the ADF has operated more than 200 different types of military aircraft. And we are very proud of the courageous military air and ground crews of the past who maintained and operated these wonderful aircraft. All of our current capabilities in aircraft will be on display, to include the Hornets, the C-17 Globemaster, the E-7A Wedgetail, the KC-30A transport tanker and the AP-3C Orion, amongst many others.